Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, I printed one fish, two fish, a red fish, and a blue fish. Stay tuned.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
I chose these articulated fish made by StevenDuvall off of Thingiverse. There'll be a link to it in the description below. I printed these models because I seen a lot of them at Murph 18 and I thought they were really cool. Now that I've printed some out, I found out that they're really fun to play with. These were both printed in AIO Robotics PLA with a 215 degree nozzle, a 60 degree bed, and 0.1 layer height. I did it in a 0.1 layer height because I wanted the hinges to work well. We printed these both on the Robo R1 Plus. Did you ever fly a kite in bed? Did you ever walk with 10 cats on your head? Did you ever milk this kind of cow? Well, we can do it. We know how. If you never did, you should. These things are fun and fun is good. Let me give you a close-up. It articulates really well, and it's really fun to play with. I'm surprised that, like, you can bend it and stuff. Like it's a sandwich. It's really cool. Definitely go and print these. Again, the link will be in the description below. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everybody, so 2 fish are in a tank. One fish says to the other, "Do you know how to drive this thing?"